I've been searching for a low-cost simple-to-use GPS tracker speed meter for use on my RC truck for quite a while. I've gone through 3 different versions, but none were top choice for me. I saw this CycPlus G1 used for a bike and thought it seems to display all I wanted: top speed, miles, and run time. I took it out for a test drive today and loved it. Was all I hoped for. Push the button, it comes on and waits for motion. After connecting to GPS satellites, I taped it to my RC windshield for now and took it for a drive until the LiPo battery died down. It showed me the final top speed, run time, and miles in miles per hour. As I had set it to do, it was easy to work with. Just press off button and turn back on for next run, then set it to max. All ready for next speed run. This is the one for me from now on. I am looking for a better mounting bracket for the rear of my RC body for future use. Works great and simple to use.